I'm Nahum. I'm the Externals Project Manager for Sisk at Unity Place. Right now it's summer 2021, as you can probably tell by the amazing weather we have behind me. We've made lots of progress since our last update, with all the cores now complete, staircases being installed, and we're now casting the roof slab in the first zone. We've been on site for just over a year now, and today is a really big day for us as we begin to install the unitised facade panels. The panels themselves fully manufactured off-site in Poland, shipped over on bespoke stillages to the UK. From there we load them into our hoist via our forklift, and they get distributed along the floor plates. Before launching the panels, we assemble the external walkways to the units. This covers 3 sides of the building and forms part of the brise soleil and solar shading to the building. We then use a spider crane set up 2 floors above to lift the panels and secure them to the brackets, which are cast into the concrete frame. Moving up the building, our hoist is big enough so we can move the panels and even the mini crane from floor to floor. Unitised facade is a precision system, so there's very tight tolerances in both the casting channels and the bracket installation. It's essential the casting channels are in the correct position. They're rigorously checked by our engineers, who are doing a fantastic job controlling the quality. Once we've finished installing all the panels on a level, the next step is to complete the fire stopping. Once again, it's thoroughly checked by our great QA team and recorded using an iPad onto our digital platform. We even use an endoscope camera to inspect the gaskets to make sure that the panels are properly engaged. The level of detail and checking is impressive. Finally, the glass panels will be cleaned and inspected. Once our team are happy to accept the panels, they are protected before being formally handed back to us in the internal trade. Everyone's really excited to see the facade panels going in. It's massive for the job, as it kick-starts the internal fit out on the floors, and it's the first step to being properly watertight. Once we're weather tight, we can start installing the flooring, kitchen fittings, and the building will start to come alive. By Christmas, we hope to have the structural frame complete, and nearly half the building will be covered in facade panels. At that point, we'll have just under a year to fit out the building, ready for completion and handover to our client.